Do you know that the value of a number depends on its position? Today we'll understand why the 5 in 50 is not the same as the 5 in 500. Hello everyone, welcome to our Mathematics Foundation series here on Easy Math Lab. And if this is your first time coming across this channel, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comments below. Today on Easy Math Lab, on this session, we'll be looking at place value and phase value. This will help you to understand number positions. So let's quickly write our topic. Let's have our topic written down. Place value and phase value. So I'd like us to begin with the less complex one, which is phase value. So we'll quickly talk about what a phase value is and give examples. Then we move to place value here. So we'll begin with the less complex one, which is a phase value. We'll talk about what it is and we move to place value. So what is phase value? The phase value is the actual value of a digit in a number no matter its position. It's the actual value of a digit in a number no matter its position. Don't forget, in our last video we saw what numbers were, so if you're a little bit lost here, you can kindly check out our video on lesson 1, which has full explanation on numbers. So phase value is the actual value of a digit. So it is the actual value of a digit in a number no matter its position, and note that the phase value of a digit does not change. Yes, it never changes. It never changes. So let's quickly have examples. Let's quickly have an example. Here we go. Example, phase value. So in 625, the phase value of, let's do it this way, semicolon, of 6 is equal to 6. Phase value of 2 is equal to 2. And the phase value of 5 is equal to 5. Equal to 5. Remember, we said earlier that it is the actual value of a digit, and so it does not change. It does not change for any reason. So there we have an example. Note, kindly note that phase value never changes. Phase value never changes. If that is understood, let us move to the next, which is place value. And in the course of the video, in case it is a bit fast for you and there's something you're not understanding, kindly pause or replay. So let's move to the next. Let's move to the next. Number 2, place value. So we'll begin with the question word is a place value? What is a place value? So the place value of a digit is based on its position in a number. It is based on position. Yes. So the place value is based on the position of a digit in a number. So let's quickly have an example to help you understand this. Let's have an example to help you understand. So we'll be using the same example we used for face value. Let's go with this. Sorry. Example. We're still going to use the same number. Let's say 6 in 625. Determine the place value of each digit. Determine the place value of each digit. So let's quickly work this example out. So 6 is in the hundreds place. Sorry. Okay. Let's have this. Let's use purple. So the digit 6 is in their hundreds place. So we can have something like this. 6 multiplied by 100 because it is in the 100 place, which will give 600. But not to make this so complex, we're still trying to get the basics of a place value and the face value. We'll just end at the positioning. So we say 6 is in the hundreds place. Move to the next. 2 is in the tens place. And lastly, 5 is in their ones or units place. So that is the place value of 6, 2, and 5. That is the place value of 6, 2, and 5 in the number 625. So let's quickly look at a few differences between place value and face value, just to help us recall. So we'll look at examples. So we'll look at the differences, and then we move to practice questions. That's to give you time to do it on your own, to make sure that you have understood. And don't forget that if you have any question, if you have questions, doubts, worries, kindly leave it in the comments section and I'll respond. So I think we'll be needing a table for this. Okay. Let's go here. Be needing a table. Yeah. This will do. Okay, yes, this will do. So on this side of the table, we are going to have face value. I think it's preferable we reduce the size of the table. Okay, yes. And on this side, we are going to have place value. So the first difference sorry about that. The first difference here is face value is the actual, sorry about the numbering, face value is the actual value of the digit in a number, and place value is the value of a digit based on its position. Value based on position. Value based on position. The next difference face value never changes. So the face value of every digit remains the same at all times. Don't forget, it remains the same at all times. But the place value of digits changes with position. It changes with position. And the last example, let's do this for example, e.g. 3 in 30 is still 3. 3 in 30 remains 3. We know that already. And 3 in 300 is not 3. 3 in 300 is not 3. So kindly pause, go through up to the level we are at right now. So quickly, let's take 2 practice questions. Sorry about that. 2 practice questions. This will help you to test your understanding. Number 1, what is the face value of 8 in 482. Number 2, what is the place value of 3 in 543? So I'll give you some minutes, give you a few seconds to figure that out according to what we've had so far. So take this seriously. Practice questions. Number 1, what is the face value of 8 in 482? And what is the place value of 3 in 543? So let's do the correction together and you check what you have done. So number 1, what is the face value of 8 in 482? Remember, we said the face value is the actual position of the digit in a number and it does not change. No matter where it is placed, it does not change. So the face value of 8 in 482 is 8. So 8. And number 2, what is the place value of 3 in 543? What is the place value of 3 in 543? Sorry. So we say 3 is in their ones or units place. And if you're a little bit confused about how we arrange place values of digits from units to tens to hundreds to thousands, 10,000s, I'll do a video after this lesson to help you understand that, so don't worry about it. Now you understand that digits have 2 values, face value and place values, and position matters in mathematics. Don't forget, position matters in mathematics. So this is a brief recap of what we have seen today. So our topic was place value and face value, and this is all what we saw. If you did not understand anything, please leave a comment and I'll respond to it. See you in our next session.